In this video, I will show you how to find your YouTube channel ID on your mobile phone. Sadly, there is no way to find your YouTube channel ID using your YouTube app. But in this video, I will show you a step on how to find your YouTube channel ID using your mobile phone. So now let's proceed. First, you need to go to your mobile browser. You can use any browser you have on your phone. It's either Edge, Chrome, or Safari. Now type on the search bar youtube.com. Now you need to log in your YouTube channel. Log in the YouTube channel that is connected to your YouTube app. Now once you're logged in, it's gonna be like this. So now in order for you to find your YouTube channel ID using your mobile browser, make sure to tap your browser settings and then find Desktop Site or View in Desktop Site. You must do it like this in order for you to view your YouTube channel like how you view it on your laptop or computer browser. So now your screen is going to be compressed and small, but just click the hamburger menu or the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. And then look for your settings. Once you've found your settings, let's zoom this in. Now click Advanced Settings. And there it is, your YouTube channel ID. You can now click Copy, and you can copy it and share to anyone and anywhere you like. And that's it for today's video. I hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.